In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover an erased paper or work using Google Docs. We all know the panic that sets in when you accidentally delete something important, but fear not. Google Docs has a backup plan that allows you to retrieve your lost work. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. You can find it by simply typing Google Drive into your search bar or by navigating directly if you frequently use the platform. Once you're in Google Drive, the next step is to locate the document from which your content was erased. Click to open it, and you'll be directed to Google Docs where the document will be displayed. Now, as tempting as it might be to hit undo, remember that this won't work for content that's been erased for a while or if the tab has been closed since the deletion. What we're going to do instead is access the document's version history. To begin, look at the top menu bar and click on File. Hover over the Version History option. You'll see a side menu pop up. Select See Version History from this list. This feature is incredibly useful as it automatically stores various iterations of your document over time, capturing each change you make. Once you click on See Version History, a new panel will appear on the right side of your screen. Here, you can preview all the versions created, even those from previous days. Take your time to scroll through the list of document versions, which may be numerous depending on how much editing has been done. Pay attention to the timestamps to find the version that potentially contains the missing content. To view any specific version, simply click on it. The document will switch to show you exactly how it looked at that time. When you locate the version that has the text you want to recover, look for the Restore this version button at the top of this panel. Clicking this will revert your document back to the selected version, bringing your lost content back with it. Before you wrap up, you can also see the changes highlighted so that you are aware of what modifications were made between versions. This is useful if multiple people have access to the document and have been making changes. That's it! Once you've restored the content you need, you can proceed with your work as normal, and just like that, you've successfully recovered your erased paper or work. Remember, regularly checking your version history is a good habit to ensure no data stays lost for too long. Keep this in mind for future edits, and you'll undoubtedly save yourself a lot of stress. Happy writing!